Ever feel like you've seen it all? Well, think again. Our planet is hiding some of the most bizarre and unbelievable creatures you could ever imagine. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oddities, exploring the strange animals that evolution cooked up in its wildest dreams. Get ready, because nature is about to get weird. Many of these masters of disguise live right under our noses, but we never see them. Camouflage is their superpower. Some animals have evolved such strange shapes and patterns that they completely disappear into their surroundings. Take the leaf-tailed gecko from Madagascar. Its body looks exactly like a dead, decaying leaf, complete with veins and ragged edges. It's the ultimate hide-and-seek champion of the forest. And it's not just about hiding. Mimicry allows creatures to look like leaves, rocks, or tree bark, not just to avoid predators, but also to ambush their prey. It's a deadly game of deception out there. Now, let's talk about transparency. The glass frog, found in the rainforests of Central and South America, has translucent skin on its belly. You can literally see its heart beating, its liver, and its digestive system all working in real time. It's like a living anatomy lesson. Then there's the star-nosed mole, a creature that looks like it has a pink flower attached to its face. Those 22 fleshy tentacles on its nose aren't for smelling. They're for seeing. This underground marvel can touch and identify food in total darkness faster than the human eye can blink. Some animals seem to defy the very laws of biology. The axolotl, a quirky salamander from Mexico, is the Peter Pan of the animal kingdom. It never grows up. It stays in its larval form its entire life. But its real party trick is regeneration. Lose a limb? No problem. It can regrow it perfectly. It can even regenerate parts of its brain and heart. And speaking of strange features, have you ever seen a proboscis monkey? The male has a ridiculously long, droopy nose, which can grow up to 7 inches long. It's not just for looks. It's used to amplify its calls to attract mates and intimidate rivals. Let's venture back to Madagascar to meet the ai, a lemur that looks like a gremlin. Its most unique tool is its long, thin, and incredibly flexible middle finger. It taps on trees to find insect larvae, gnaws a hole with its rodent-like teeth, and then uses that creepy finger to fish them out. Talk about specialized dining. Deep underground lives another oddity, the naked mole rat. These wrinkly, sausage-like rodents are practically superheroes. They are resistant to cancer, feel almost no pain, and can survive for over 18 minutes without oxygen. They live in large colonies, much like bees, with a single queen doing all the breeding. The world of color and light also has its share of strangeness. The mantis shrimp, a small crustacean with a powerful punch, sees the world in a way we can't even comprehend. While humans have 3 types of color-receptive cones in our eyes, the mantis shrimp has up to 16. They can see polarized light and a spectrum of colors that are completely invisible to us. And for surviving harsh environments, look no further than the saiga antelope. Its bizarre, swollen nose acts as a filter, cleaning dust from the air in the summer and warming up frigid air in the winter before it reaches the lungs. The deep ocean is where things get truly alien. The Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble the Disney character, gracefully flies through the abyss. It's cute, but it's a resident of the crushing depths. In the swamps of Africa, you might find the shoebill stork. With its massive clog-shaped bill and prehistoric stare, this bird looks like a dinosaur that time forgot. Its gaze is so intense, you'd think it was judging your entire life. Nature has also produced some incredible living armor. The pangolin, the world's only mammal covered in scales, looks like a walking artichoke. When threatened, it curls into an impenetrable ball. Sadly, these unique scales have made it the most trafficked mammal on the planet. Down in Argentina, the pink fairy armadillo is the smallest and cutest of its kind. It's a tiny, nocturnal creature that swims through sand just beneath the surface, looking for insects. Let's go back to the deep sea for a real-life monster, the goblin shark. This rare shark has a long, flattened snout and a jaw that can suddenly protrude forward to snatch prey. It's pure nightmare fuel. Back on land in the Australian desert, the thorny devil has a brilliant survival trick. Its spiky skin is covered in tiny grooves that channel water, whether from rain or morning dew, directly to its mouth. It literally drinks through its skin. And in the ocean, the blue dragon sea slug is both beautiful and deadly. This tiny, vibrant creature floats on the surface and feeds on venomous Portuguese man-o'-wars, storing their stinging cells for its own defense. Many deep-sea creatures create their own light through bioluminescence. The most famous is the anglerfish, which uses a glowing lure dangling from its head to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black depths. Extreme habitats, like the bottom of the ocean, force life to evolve in extreme ways. Some organisms thrive near hydrothermal vents, surviving on chemicals instead of sunlight, in a process called chemosynthesis. It's a whole different way of life. Even on land, evolution has produced some mind-boggling features. The tarsier, a tiny primate from Southeast Asia, has eyes so enormous they are each bigger than its brain. These giant eyes give it exceptional night vision for hunting insects. But don't be fooled by the cute face of the slow loris. It's one of the few venomous mammals. It secretes a toxin from its elbows, which it then licks to deliver a toxic bite. A very strange defense mechanism indeed. Some animals look like they were pieced together from different species. The okapi, found in the dense forests of Congo, has the legs of a zebra, the body of a horse, and the long blue tongue of a giraffe, which is its closest relative. It's a living, breathing hybrid. And what about the tuatara from New Zealand? This reptile, which is not a lizard, has a third eye on top of its head. This parietal eye is sensitive to light and helps regulate its daily cycles. And yes, some frogs can fly. Or at least glide. The Wallace's flying frog has oversized webbed feet that it uses like a parachute to glide between trees. Tragically, many of these unique and bizarre animals are facing extinction. Habitat loss from deforestation and human development is wiping out the rare ecosystems they call home. Climate change is altering their environments faster than they can adapt. These creatures, which look like something from a fantasy novel, are very real, and they are disappearing. Scientists are still discovering new species every year, reminding us how little we truly know about our own planet. Each new discovery is a testament to the incredible power of evolution. Every strange animal, no matter how odd it looks, has a specific purpose and plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Evolution doesn't care about our standards of beauty. It values survival above all else. These oddities are the result of millions of years of fine-tuning for a specific way of life. By protecting biodiversity, we're not just saving weird and wonderful animals. We're protecting the complex web of life that humanity itself depends on. The world of oddities is a powerful reminder of nature's endless creativity and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So next time you think you've seen it all, remember the goblin shark, the star-nosed mole, and the glass frog. Our world is far stranger and more wonderful than we can ever imagine. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the bizarre. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.